Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Journey to Health with Ceels. Now guys, today we are going to review a mask, a naturally made mask with natural ingredients. This particular mask, the Caudalie brand, has been hitting the internet by storm, guys. Guys, there are so many TikTokers and so many YouTubers who are excited about this particular mask. I just want to bring it to your attention. Today, for the first time, you and I are going to test this mask and we are going to see how it matches up to our homemade version mask. Now guys, if you are interested in seeing the score that I'm going to give to this particular mask, come along with me. Today, we are going to discover what is it about the Caudalie brand instant detox mask that has been hitting the internet by storm. Now guys, today we're going to take the time to review this particular mask that has blown up the internet. The first thing I want to say is I paid approximately almost $60 for this particular mask. This mask right here, guys. It is an instant detox mask, as you can see here, guys. Hope you can see it. And so what it really is supposed to do, it really is supposed to purify your pores, clean out your pores, and make those pores a lot tighter. We have done a lot of natural homemade masks on this channel, and I'm going to be doing this demonstration with you today. We want to see the difference between our homemade mask and the mask that you purchase at the store. And guys, this is a very pricey mask, and it's only 2.5 fluid ounce, as you can see. Only 2.5 fluid ounces, guys. And it has cost me almost $60. Now guys, as you can see, I purchased it at Sephora. And as you can see on my receipt here, it's $58.76. Okay? $58.76. Now, depending on where you are around the world, the prices will vary. Now guys, the reason why I've decided to give this particular mask a try is because of the natural ingredients that it's made with. It's made with caffeine, guys, and as you know, it helps to wake up your skin a little bit, but also it helps to tighten your skin as well and clean out your pores. One particular thing that this Caudalie brand has done is it uses natural ingredients. It also uses the grape polyphenols, and what's that going to do, guys? It's going to really moisturize your skin. And so I'm curious to see exactly the results of this particular mask. Now, one thing with this particular mask, guys, as it relates to the packaging, as you can see, it looks like a little wooden cover. Also, if you're allergic to fragrance, guys, you have to be careful with this particular mask. It does have fragrance in it. And so we're going to try this for the very first time. This is my very first time, guys. I just purchased it at Sephora. I wanted to know exactly what it is about this particular mask. And so I'm removing the cover for the first time. This is our first time trying this mask together. And as you can see, guys, it smells amazing. If you're a person who loves fragrance, it smells really amazing. But if you're allergic to fragrance, guys, you may want to rethink and perhaps try to make one of your homemade masks. Wow. Okay guys, so as you can see, it has a little tint to it. So guys, I clean my face and now I start applying this mask in upward strokes. And so this mask, really, I'm going to compare it to see how it is with our homemade mask. I want to provide as much option as possible, guys. I want to encourage you to keep up your facial routine. If you're not able to make your homemade mask, perhaps you can buy one of these masks at the store. But guys, I want to encourage you to make your homemade mask. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to show you in the next video over to how you can actually make your own detox mask. Okay, so let us apply this and see what happens. Let's see if it's going to remove all the impurities from my skin and how my skin feels afterwards. Okay. One other thing about this particular mask as I'm applying it, guys, it's very light and easy to apply. Okay, that's one of the things that I noticed with it. And it dries pretty quickly because I can feel it start drying on my skin as I'm applying it right now. And so I want to make sure you don't come too close to your eyes. I kind of put it a little close to my eyes, but let's see how it works. Put some on my cheek area. Okay. And I'm also going to apply some on my neck because, as you know, whatever you use on your face, guys, you should always use on your neck. Now guys, this particular brand has its beginnings in 1993 when they discovered the value of using grape seeds in their skincare products or their skincare line. And as you know, grape seed can be used to treat a wide range of health problems, including removing free radical damage from our skin. It also can be used to protect us against bacterial infections. Seeds are also packed with vitamin E and flavonoids, linoleic acid, and it also have amazing benefits to our skin. It also contains resveratrol, which is another compound in grapes and the grape skin as well. And resveratrol has become very popular as an antioxidant, and it's also been studied in helping us protect us from a variety of skin conditions and diseases. One thing you should know about resveratrol is that the grapevines can live up to 100 years, and that is because they naturally produce resveratrol that helps the vine's natural defenses and help its ability to regenerate, and so that's exactly the same thing that it does to our skin. Resveratrol is a natural active ingredient that helps to firm our skin and also to protect our skin from premature aging, and so using this particular ingredient in this mask is going to be very beneficial for all of us. Okay guys, I'm adding a little extra in my problem areas. I'm going to make sure I can see the impact of this particular mask. Okay, and this is what it looks like right now guys. So I'm going to wait approximately 10-15 minutes, then I'm going to come back to you and I'm going to show you exactly what the results of this mask are. I'm curious to see exactly what is it about this mask. There's so many great comments that are going on the internet. A lot of this particular mask is all over the internet right now, and I just thought that it would be a great idea to bring it to you so that you can see exactly what is it about this particular mask that is causing all this stir. So let's wait and see for another 10-15 minutes. Now guys, it's approximately 15 minutes since I applied this mask, and I can tell you this mask feels really good. Guys, I can feel my skin tightened. It's really doing what it's supposed to do, which is to clean my pores and tighten that pores. Now, as it relates to the texture of it guys, the texture is pretty light. I like it because the texture is pretty light, so I would give it approximately 8 out of 10 for that. As it relates to the fact that it's fragrance guys, I would give it a 6 because not everybody can use the fragrance products. As it relates to the color guys, it has a sort of a pinkish lightish color. As it relates to the price guys, the price point is where I think get the lowest marks for me. I would give it a 2 out of 10 guys. I don't really think that this particular mask worth the price, almost $60. It does not worth the price for me, at least. There are many other natural homemade masks that you can get to do the exact same thing that this mask is currently doing to my face. And it's really doing what it says it's going to do. It tightens the pores. It really cleans my pore. I can feel my skin feels a lot tighter and firmer, and so I think it's doing what it's supposed to do. But guys, for the price, I don't really think it's worth it. I think you can make your own instant detox mask, and I'm going to encourage you to watch the next video over so you can see how you can make your own instant detox mask, and it will achieve this exact same thing. Now guys, I just washed out the mask, and my skin really feels really good. It feels really good. I really like this mask, and it really does a good job. And the reason why I like this mask guys is because it is made with natural ingredients. It's made with grapeseed polyphenols guys, and it's also made with caffeine as well. And so this mask does exactly what it's supposed to do. But I really do feel like it did give me the glow that I was hoping to get. And also, as a person with dry skin, my face doesn't really feel super dry either after using this mask. So overall, I would give this mask about a 7 because of the price point. When you all putting everything together, I would give it a 7 out of 10 because of the price point guys, and also because of the fragrance, that not everyone is able to tolerate fragrance really well. But if you're sensitive to fragrance, you want to make sure that you do your patch test as always by putting a little bit behind your ear, or you can put it in your inner arms to make sure that there are no allergies. Now guys, if you're willing to pay the almost $60 for this particular mask with only 2.5 fluid ounces, go ahead guys, you can go ahead and do it. I want to challenge you to go ahead and make your own mask. There are many recipes on our channel. Go ahead and check them out. If you want to glow, you can make a glow mask. If you want to tighten your pores, you can make a mask to tighten your pores. If you want to deep clean your pores, we have recipes to deep clean your pores. Guys, you really do not have to pay $60 for a mask with only 2.5 fluid ounces. Watch the next video over and see how you can make your own instant detox mask guys, and it's going to cost you a fraction of the price. Now guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, I encourage you to share to your family and friends, and also if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button right now and become a part of our amazing YouTube family. Now until then guys, it's cheers to your great health and great looking skin from Journey to Health with Ceels. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!